In a land of myth and a time of magic, the destiny of a great kingdom rests on the shoulders of a young boy. His name, Merlin.
Today we're going to be changing that boring Merlin intro to our own exciting intro in 2025, and we're going to be starting right now. So for this tutorial, we're going to open up our Capcut. So after opening up our Capcut, we're going to add our clip that we recorded. So after adding that clip, we're going to split, delete the unwanted parts, and split it into segments so that it will be easy for us to edit. So after doing all that, you have to download the Merlin intro and extract the sound from it. After extracting the sound from it, we're going to download all the backgrounds that we need, because we're going to be removing the backgrounds of our clips. So after adding that background, you are going to be adjusting and make all our 3 clips that we recorded the overlays. So you have to remove the background, you're not using the chroma key even if you have a blue screen behind, because if you use the chroma key, it's so hard to remove the background with the chroma key unless you know all the keys, unless your background is either all green or either all blue. So after removing all that, we're going to add other overlays, like the overlays of fire, the dragon. As you see, I have a dragon with fire, so you have to put them in splice and you have to put them in filter. So you have to position them, as in this dragon has to be behind, so you place the dragon behind the character, because the dragon can't be in front, so you place them. You go on the layers and you place them behind the character. So after doing all that, yeah, that's it. Don't forget to hit the resubscribe button, like this video, comment on it. See you in my next videos. Bye. But subscribe, because I'm on the goal of reaching 500 subscribers by the end of this.